Dirty keyboard? Let's try cleaning it the dickin' around way. Alright, as you can see here, we have my keyboard with all my tools. But we only need a couple things here. First things first, some WD-40. Now, I love WD-40 for a couple different reasons. It acts as a cleaner, and it's non-conductive, which is actually its best feature, I think. Because, you know, trying to clean these keycaps, okay, I could sit here, and because they're cherries, and I can pull every single one of them off and clean underneath, which, you know what, maybe we might do. But I have another video that I'm really trying to do, and I just want to get this thing somewhat clean for that video. This is my main keyboard that I use right now. And yeah, so we just need a couple things. One, air. I don't have it plugged in because it leaks and it makes a bunch of noise. And then two, a drill. And this is actually extremely soft. Like, I wouldn't say the softest in the world, but this is a toilet bowl cleaner. And no, it hasn't been used in a toilet bowl. I actually used this not too long ago on my rims, which probably another video that I wouldn't mind getting into. So like, you know, without going too fast, right, we go one way, we're gonna get one side of the keycaps, and like that's actually kind of crazy already. And we barely even touch the surface. And we're gonna switch it, go the other way, or just flip the keyboard, whatever you want to do. And this is actually doing a really good job. Okay, and then we can go this way. Oh my God, no dropping it, obviously. And I just have it on 2, because if we go to 1, oh, it's not even that fast. Go to 1, it's even slower. Look at that. We want to like, even kind of like push it down in there. But you know what's crazy? Like besides the top, actually let's see if we can. Not bad. Let's speed it up a little bit. I'm actually really impressed at how well this is doing. But again, we're gonna get into this guy here. Now, WD-40 is really sticky, but it also cleans. So I'm just going to, where's this guy spray from? Just the top here? Oh no. Got a little bit on there. Whatever. And you know what? Let's get to her. Right? Cleaning with liquid tends to always be probably the best way to clean. Hot liquid, cold liquid, whatever the situation. I find cleaning with cold liquids can somewhat be better in the sense that hot liquid can actually, what do you call that? Like burn smells into certain things. So we're gonna go all the different ways here. Holy crap. And you know what? Doing this, for all I know, I can get people on here that are telling me, oh my God, that's the worst thing you've ever done to a keyboard. How could you do that? Well, let it be so. Because I'm doing it. I'm doing it. And you know what? Maybe, you know, you guys can ask me if you want in a week or two. How my keyboard is doing. Again, WD-40, non-conductive. Best part about it. So, and it cleans. I find it cleans well. Get into our air. Where'd my little nozzle go? Got about probably 100 psi or so, and I know these are some of these things not everybody's gonna have, but if you do, man, let's see how it No, some people are probably thinking, oh my God, it's a liquid, it's a liquid. Again, non-conductive, right? You can split your motherboard with this stuff and it won't do anything. It's kind of like mineral oil, non-conductive. I think I got some microfiber cloths. Let's go and like it's shiny. Like that's actually really nice. It looks so good, so good. Trying to get in between these cracks. There goes one of my keycaps, and of course, ultimately, taking these keycaps off would probably be the best way to clean this guy, but not here at Dicking Around. Like, that's actually not too bad, right? Like, it's not perfect. And like, I wasn't able to get down. It doesn't seem like the drill got all the way down deep. Again, this thing is a soft bristle, right? So it's not like it's going super crazy on this either. I actually think my DeWalt drill is faster than my Milwaukee. Like, dude, that thing is so clean in comparison. Look at that. Let's go ahead and get back. Anybody that wants to know, oh, there goes one of my keycaps. This is a HyperX Alloy First Person Pro. Pretty good keyboard. The number one complaint that I have about it, it's not super clicky. You know what? You probably can't really hear it very well. I'm going to turn that compressor off here in a minute. Oh, there we go. And actually, wipes, man. Baby wipes, I absolutely love these things. Okay, they are amazing for cleaning all kinds of stuff. And pretty good for grease too. Right, so I'm just gonna wipe the top of all my keys to get any of that greasy feeling of the WD-40. And you know, it's a misconception that everybody thinks that WD-40 is a greaser because, well, it leaves a greasy film behind, but it's actually a degreaser, right? And being a degreaser, that's more of a cleaner than anything. So like without going super crazy and just maintaining, oh, look at that, I even got stuff popping out here. Let's go and just even finding a small compressor and getting one of these guys. You know what I mean? It doesn't have to be a great, big, huge compressor. But look at that. That looks beautiful. You can see some of the grease here, right? And even at that, you know. Just kind of buff that up a bit. Look, you can see it in between there. You know, like I said, you know, pulling these things apart. Oh, I got somebody calling me. Give me a quick second. All right, interrupted with phone call. Had to take it, very important. But yeah, that's, again, we have some, a little bit of dirt in between here, right? It's not hard to get our rag, right? Our bristled drill did a pretty good job. And then it seems like some of this stuff's probably been in there for a little while. So pulling off these keycaps if need be, you know, again, surface. This is really good surface, and I'm really happy with this. And now we're gonna get into the other stuff about that. So yeah, again, Hyper Alloy FPS first person shooter. That's good. I like that. That's really good. And I like the smell of WD, so. All right, so that's our quick cleaning of my my keyboard. So let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, all that fun jazz. If you want to see more of our content and or any more of my content, I should say. But yeah, this keyboard's actually for more content about clicky keyboards and so on and so forth. But anyways, see you in the next video. Peace.